I stopped buying leave-in conditioner and I made it at home, and I was not expecting the result to happen this way. Guys, you also be shocked when you try this leave-in conditioner and you will never buy store-bought leave-in conditioner again. So if your hair is always dry, breaking, and nothing is working, you need to try this. This homemade leave-in conditioner we are about to prepare right now is the best homemade leave-in conditioner I can ever prepare, and your hair will love it so much. This leave-in conditioner will transform your hair overnight. I'm not joking. It will help you a whole lot to retain length and so many goodies that will come out from this leave-in conditioner. So make sure you watch this video to the end, okay? So now our first ingredient is flaxseed, okay? You just need a little amount of flaxseed. 3 spoons, 4 spoons, you are good to go. Depend on how quantity you want to make yours, okay? Even 2 spoons, you can also use it and prepare your flaxseed gel, okay? So I just pour 4 tablespoons of my flaxseed gel into a pot, then add water to it. I will keep it aside. Our second ingredient is hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower is another powerful agent for hair growth, restoring moisture, and also helping you to darken your hair over time, okay? So now let's prepare this. So the first thing now is to boil this flaxseed gel. Once it has started boiling, then I will add my hibiscus flower to it, and I like 2 of them to boil like 5 to 7 minutes. Once they have reached 5 to 7 minutes and you see that the hibiscus flower have ladies in color inside the flaxseed gel, and also the flaxseed gel have ladies the slimy consistent also, and once you use your spoon to dip inside the pot, you see the slimy consistent will start coming out. Then you know that it's ready to be used, okay? So to prepare this is very simple. 5 minutes, 6 minutes, this preparation is ready. So immediately you off your gas and bring it down. Immediately the next thing you must do is to bring your bowl and your shifter to extract it out immediately. Please do not allow it to cool down before you extract it out. It will be very hard for you to extract out. So extracting it out immediately is hot, is the best, and it's very easy, so that it can also get more jelly, okay, than when it's cooled down. I hope you're understanding me. So after extracting out my gel, this is the amount of gel I got so far. Do you see how dark, how rich this is? So the next thing now is to keep it aside. I'll bring our third ingredient is aloe vera. So to prepare your aloe vera gel, make sure you allow it to soak in water like 30 minutes to an hour to remove those yellow poisonous, okay? After then, just extract out the gel, and I'll go off camera to blend it. After blending it, this amount of aloe vera gel I got so far, okay? So after blending it, I will need a help of sheep cloth to extract out the aloe vera gel, because if I do not do this, this aloe vera gel will leave particles on my hair when I prepare this leave-in conditioner. So what we need is pure aloe vera gel. After extracting out, this is the amount of gel I got so far. I'll also keep it aside and bring our next ingredient is shea butter. Now I'm using shea butter, like 2 to 3 spoons of shea butter and 1 tablespoon of my emulsifying wax. If you have mango butter, you can also add mango butter, or any other butter you have available. You can also include it in your shea butter. So for now, I want to use only shea butter. Next thing is add my homemade oil, just 1 to 2 spoons of my homemade oil. Then I bring it to a boil. I bring it to double boiling method, okay, just to melt this my shea butter and the emulsifying wax and also the oil to combine together. After melting them to combine together, so we can move to the next step. Please don't use microwave to microwave this, okay? It will kill the nutrients of the shea butter, okay? Just use hot water to do it, and don't do it direct heat. Make sure you do it by double boiling method, okay? That is the best way to melt your shea butter so that you get good result from the shea butter, okay? After melting the shea butter and the emulsifying wax, I brought it down from the hot water. So now let's start the process of this powerful leave-in conditioner. The next thing now is to bring my whiskey to whisk it. It will help me to mix this ingredient very well. So the next thing I will pour inside the melted shea butter is my flaxseed gel and hibiscus I prepared earlier. Please make sure your flaxseed gel is still hot. Do not make that mistake by pouring in your flaxseed gel in a cold form. Okay, it will make this your leave-in conditioner not come out well. So if you want your leave-in conditioner to come out very well and give you that creamy consistency you need, make sure you make it very hot before you pour it inside your melted shea butter. Let the melted shea butter and the flaxseed gel be the same hot temperature. Okay, so I will use this whiskey and whisk it very well, like some minutes. Okay, I transfer all the flaxseed gel I prepared earlier inside the shea butter melted. So after whisking it for a while, then I will introduce my next ingredient. So the next ingredient I will introduce now is the aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel, I pour all of them immediately, and I still use this my whiskey to start whisking it again. This whiskey will help me to combine this ingredient very fast. Okay, but if you don't have this whiskey, you can use your spoon or fork to whisk them. They will still come out blended well. Okay, so I will still introduce my electric hand mixer so that I will be 100% sure that these three powerful ingredients have combined together very well. Okay, it's very important that you make sure that have blend properly. Okay, before you can move to the next thing. So once I have used my electric hand mixer to mix it again for a while, then the next thing I will do now is to remove the electric mixer and bring something to cover up this leave-in conditioner. So I will transfer it into the freezer for just 20 to 10 minutes. Okay, so that this can freeze a little bit, so that the leave-in conditioner can be more faster in preparation. Okay, but if you don't have freezer, just continue whisking it. It only take you a long time. Maybe if you whisk it, you leave it to settle down like 30 minutes, then come back again and start whisking it again. Okay, so the reason of putting it inside the freezer is to make the process more faster. So don't worry if you don't have freezer, just do exactly like as I said. Just whisk it and keep it aside to settle down like 30 minutes. Bring it back again and whisk it. Okay, you still get this consistent. Okay, so once it have been in the freezer like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I brought it out again and I'll start whisking it. As you can see, it have started getting more thicker. Okay, so that is necessary of putting it in the freezer so that it will settle down and cool down and start coming together. So I use this my electric mixer to whisk it for a while again so that the leave-in conditioner can be very fluffy. Once I'm through whisking it, the next thing I will introduce is my essential oils. Okay, use any type of essential oils you have available. If there is one essential oil or two or three or four or five, any amount of essential oils you have available, just drop a little bit of it. Essential oil is also very good in our hair. Okay, essential oil work in different ways to help you to get faster results and also good results in any products you are using it with. So after introducing my essential oils, the next thing again I introduce is my preservative. Okay, I'm using German Plus preservative. Okay, preservative is very important because remember, this leave-in conditioner has liquid and butter agent, so you need a preservative to preserve it so that it will not go bad. Okay, so preservative is not an optional in this leave-in conditioner, but essential oils is an optional. If you don't have essential oils, just forget about it. But you see, preservative, you must add preservative to it and also vitamin E to it. Okay, vitamin E is also good. It will help to preserve the life of this leave-in conditioner. So after introducing all this my ingredients, the essential oils and the preservative, I'll still use my electric hand mixer to mix it again for a little while. Now this leave-in conditioner is ready. This leave-in conditioner is little effort, guys, and less ingredients, and you have gotten a very fluffy creamy texture leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner will penetrate on your hair like never before and leave your hair healthy, shiner, and lock in your moisture without you lacking in moisture. So if you always complain of dry hair, breakage, this leave-in conditioner will bring back your hair to life. I'm not capping. It's very little effort, but it's very effective. After preparing this leave-in conditioner, I kid you not, you will never buy store-bought leave-in conditioner again. But make sure you prepare it the correct way so that you will fall in love with it. Because if you not prepare it in a correct way, you will not get that good result and you still continue buying store-bought leave-in conditioner out there. But if you got this in a right way, I kid you not, you will never ever buy any leave-in conditioner again. So this is the outcome of this our leave-in conditioner, guys. This leave-in conditioner can even work more than some store-bought leave-in conditioner you are buying out there. Just give it a try, but make sure you follow the process and do it exactly the way I share with you guys. I kid you not, you will never regret it, okay? You will never buy any store-bought leave-in conditioner again, okay? So I bring my jar to transfer my leave-in conditioners for this storage, okay? Now I have gotten this quantity of leave-in conditioner and this quantity of leave-in conditioner. Can you imagine? For those little ingredients I used to prepare this is the amount of leave-in conditioner I have gotten so far. Do you see? This leave-in conditioner is not only to save you money, you're also 100% sure on what you apply on your hair, and also they're also helping you to grow your hair, moisturize your hair, stop breakage. Your hair will be more healthy and more natural and more safer, okay? Don't joke with this leave-in conditioner, okay? So how to use it? You can only use them just as your leave-in conditioner as name apply. Just use it to see in your hair whenever you moisturize your hair with your water-based products. Then follow up with this leave-in conditioner. Use it on your hair strands, okay? After then, just use your oil and stay in. You're good to go. You can also melt this leave-in conditioner and use it as a pre-poo. Yes, you can also took like some little quantity of it and use it as a pre-poo. And also you can use this leave-in conditioner as a detangler. This is a leave-in conditioner I used to took down my 2 months mini braid and I got very low breakage. Guys, you check on that video. If you have not seen that video, check it out. This leave-in conditioner can serve you in a different purpose, okay? I do not use any other product in taking down this my mini braid. I use only this leave-in conditioner and the result I got is mind-blowing. It make my takedown process very easy than I expect it. So prepare this leave-in conditioner. You have a lot to gain, okay? So for the storage, just store this in a cool dark place, okay? Just be using it until it's finished. You don't need to keep it in your freezer or in the fridge. Just keep it in the normal place you store your store-bought leave-in conditioner. Then use it until you finish and go ahead and prepare another one, okay? So let me know if you still buy store-bought leave-in conditioner again after watching this video. Let me know in comment section below. And if you will never buy store-bought leave-in conditioner again after preparing this, also let me know in comment section below, okay? I can't wait to hear your feedback, guys. So guys, I have come to the end of today's video. I hope you find this video very helpful. Let me know in comment section below, okay? Please, if you have not subscribed, do wait to subscribe, share this video, make sure you turn on your bell notification so that you always notified whenever I drop powerful, amazing content like this, okay? And please make sure you like this video. It really helped me a whole lot, and also it help you too to push this video to more people, okay? And also do wait to share this video to your family and friends so that they will stop wasting money in living in products, okay? And go ahead and make it at their home and use it to grow their hair like never before. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.